my name is Stephanie Aragon, and I own a hair salon here in Columbia, Missouri. We're conveniently located off I-70, which makes it ideal for our local and travel-in clients. If you landed on our website, it's most likely because you're struggling with your hair, whether it's the fullness, the length, and you're probably starting to do your research into extensions and looking for all the other options that you may have. A couple years ago, I was in the same spot. I had chopped my hair, impulsive decisions, and I was looking for something that would, one, give me my length back, two, it wouldn't look extension-y, and three, that it could actually fit my lifestyle. Every method just had a downfall that I wasn't obsessed with, and I'm one of those people, if I'm not obsessed, I can't expect someone else to be in love with something. So that's whenever I stumbled upon Danielle, and I was always so intrigued because her clients just had this super pretty, effortless hair that I was like, that can't be real, but I also can't see the extensions in. So a couple months go in, I'm like stalking her page, and eventually I started seeing that they were actually hair extensions. Seeing the way that she put them in completely blew my mind, and that's when I was like, oh my gosh, I have to go to California. I have to get certified and bring those here, because it truly was like nothing I had seen before in the marketplace here. You know, you had about every range, whether it was like clip-ins all the way to bonds, but you didn't see any method that was literally just like the string and the beads by itself. So I was sold, flew out there, and ever since I've been obsessed. I've been wearing them myself now for 3-4 years now, and I can tell you that my life is so much more easier with them in than without them. So natural beaded rose, mostly known as NBR, is essentially a hand-tied method of extensions. What is so unique as well is the fact that we truly do customize everything to each and every client, from the tension of the beads to how much space there is between the beads to the sectioning, the amount of wefts that go into a row. Truly every single aspect is catered to the client with the same goal, that is protecting the client's hair. We never want to be putting things into your hair and damage it. So this is something that to me really stood out from all the rest of the extensions that I was looking at, was the emphasis that they put in being a sustainable method for every single client. I really love too is that they're super versatile. You can literally throw your hair up in a bun, do piggy braids, do half ups, half downs. You know, I work in an industry where styling is so much fun, and I always tell people, if you're adding more hair, why not use it in a good way and have fun with your styling? So to me, there's no point in putting more hair in if you can't style it the way that you want to. I feel like that kind of defeats the whole purpose of putting extensions in your hair. For me, it's really important that my clients get a really good experience. I definitely am one of those people that in a good experience will make me go back somewhere, from the way that someone packages something, to the way that they walk you in, to the drink that they serve you. I really do try to look at all those little details and try to make it as special as I can, because it's an exciting day for everyone. At the end of every appointment, I like to give my clients a little gift that comes with everything that they need to take care of their extensions, from the brush that I want you to use to the shampoo and conditioner that is going to prolong the life of your extensions. We truly want you to leave the studio feeling 100% confident that you know how to take care of your investment, and also that you want to come back and hang out with us again. So I truly believe that what makes your experience a success, and especially with hair extensions, is the consultation. So I do things a little bit different around here. I ask my clients to fill out a pre-consultation form, and it's super quick and easy, simple. It's only about 2 to 3 minutes that it'll take you to fill it out. And essentially all it's gonna ask you is a little bit about yourself, just so I can learn more about you before we get on the phone. It'll ask you a little bit about your hair history, your hair issues, what's making you want extensions, And then it's really nice because there is a section where it's actually gonna have you insert photos. And that's one of the most important parts during the consultation, because then that way I can give you a good, accurate quote and path of how it'll be the day that you come into your appointment. So we'll cover pricing, we'll cover maintenance, we'll cover the amount of rows you need. We'll go over everything and then make sure that we answer all the little questions you have so that you know that you're gonna be taken care of the moment that you walk in. To get started, all you need to do is click on the link below, which will give you direct access to our pre-consultation form to find behind the scenes, before and afters, and just to see if we're gonna be a good match with personality and style. You can go ahead and follow me on Facebook or Instagram, where we can connect. I can answer any little questions you have, and we can just get to know each other a little bit better. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful, and I look forward to helping you achieve the hair that you always dreamed of.